Hi and welcome back. In this video, I want to demonstrate how to integrate the date picker into a spreadsheet. It is very simple and straightforward. As I said, this date picker works on user forms, worksheet text boxes, and worksheet cells. Now, to use it, you need to learn simple steps on how to hook it into your system. So in this short video, I will show you how to do just that. At this stage, I would assume you have downloaded the latest version of this date picker from the download section in this course and saved it on your PC. Mine is saved on the desktop in a folder named date picker. I'm going to use this example file for all the demonstrations. As you can see, the date picker is not integrated into this worksheet yet. So let's use this workbook to learn how to do so. To use the date picker, you need to first pull in the VBA files into your workbook. Therefore, you need to be in the VB editor to integrate the date picker. To get there, click on the Developer tab, then click on the Visual Basic menu. If you do that, you'll be taken straight to the VB editor. Now this is where you want to bring the files. To import the date picker, all I need to do is to right-click on the side nav bar of the VB editor or the Project Explorer. Select Import File, then navigate to the folder where I saved my files. So these are the two files I need. One is a user form and another is a module. You need to import both files, one at a time as I do right here. When done, check on the forms folder and see that you have a user form named Pandit Date Picker. On the modules folder, you must have a module named Date Picker. Please note that these files are bound to change as we upgrade the date picker. So it's imperative that you keep tuned in. This date picker uses the dictionary as part of its intelligence. So the next thing you need to do is to enable it. To enable the dictionary, you must reference to the Microsoft Scripting Runtime Library. You can do that by going to Tools and then select References. On the References window, scroll down and look for Microsoft Scripting Runtime. Make sure it's selected and then hit the OK button. To learn more about the dictionary, please subscribe to the 4th course in the Date Picker series. That's it. All is set. Our date picker is ready for use in this workbook. In the next video, I will teach you how to bind the date picker to a user form text box.